This is why you need to know about the Cold War. It's the story of how fear, power, and a couple of nuclear near misses shaped the modern world. Ready for a whirlwind tour? After World War II, the US and the Soviet Union were allies turned rivals, locked in a face-off that spanned decades. No direct battles, but everywhere else, total chaos. Berlin split in two, nuclear missiles in Cuba, wars in Korea and Vietnam. Both sides flexed their muscles with propaganda, space races, and wild spy missions. Think James Bond, but way more real. People lived with the constant threat of nuclear war. Kids practiced hiding under desks, and leaders held their breath during tense standoffs. Yet thanks to diplomacy and some lucky breaks, humanity dodged disaster, barely. The Cold War ended in 1991, but its ripple effects still shaping our world today. So next time you hear the Cold War, remember, it's the story of how we almost lost it all without ever pulling the trigger.
I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Your support means the world to creators like me. If you enjoyed what you saw, hitting that like button is a simple way to show it. It helps the channel grow and reach more people who might enjoy this content. And subscribing? That's like joining a community where we can share ideas and experiences together. You'll be the first to know when new content drops, and trust me, you won't want to miss it. So, if you found value here, please consider liking and subscribing. It's a small action that makes a big difference. Thank you for being part of this journey.